Okay, so we have our 3 cubes and 1 more cube that came from the Cryptoys team as a thank you and a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays for everybody that bought cubes. So, now that we have 4 cubes left, and we don't really know which one was the one that they added, so...
Yeah, so we're thinking it's the end because it just added on to the end, so we're going to try that one.
So this is the one?
Yeah.
All right.
But, tomorrow, because it's probably going to be this one or this one. So.
Oh, there's no way to know, right? So, all right, this is the one you're choosing for today?
I think so.
You think so, or are you sure? I'm clicking.
I'm sure.
Okay. Here we go. It's been a while since we've seen this. Okay, it's time. An evil-lyn! To add to our evil-lyn army that we've been building. Yeah, it is a comment. Let's just check out our number. And let's see. All right.
How much is it?
Well, you know, this is the number here. 4,311 of 5,400. All right. We're still looking for that last tri-klops, aren't we?
Yep.
I wonder where it's going to be. I wonder if there's a tri-klops in any of these last 3 cubes. I hope there is, because you can't buy any more of these.
Why?
Because they closed the drop,
Forever.
which means no more. But what it does mean is these are coming soon. So when these guys come, we'll try to get some more.
Oh.
For now, we're going to open up those last 3 cubes, and we'll check back with everybody.
Yeah,
we'll check back with everybody as soon as we're done with all the other cubes we have so far, okay?
Yeah.
All right.